Hey guys, welcome back to Adorbs Crochet. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do a Slipknot. Video will be with 3 different weights of yarn. Classic, velvet, and chunky. So let's start. You're going to grab your yarn and you're going to find the tail of where it starts, right here. Then going to open your hands and lay the tail of yarn towards your pinky. Next, fold in the bottom 3 fingers, leaving your pointer out. It should look like this. You're then going to take the connected piece of yarn and fold it around to make that X. Then grab the tail end from under those 3 fingers and wrap it back around your pointer. And now you should have 2 loops on your finger. Next, grab the back loop and bring it over your front one off of your finger like that. You can now carefully slide it off of your finger, grab a hook, and put it through. You're then going to grab your tail end, it won't work if you're using the one connected, and simply pull. You're then able to start your project. If you ever mess up or want to take out a slip knot, you're going to take it off of your hook, grab both ends, and pull them apart. Now let's move on to velvet. Grab the edge of your yarn and put it across your pinky. Fold inwards 3 fingers, grab the connected piece of yarn and wrap it around behind your thumb. Unfold those 3 fingers. It should look like this. Grab the end of your yarn and wrap it over so that you get 2 loops on that finger. Facing outwards, grab the outer loop and bring it before the front one. Again, carefully transfer your slip knot to a hook and pull on the end to tighten. Then to take it out, you're just going to remove your hook, grab both ends, and pull. And for the last texture of yarn, which is chunky, you're gonna grab the end of your yarn and put it in the palm of your hand, like so. Bottom 3 fingers, clasp it, and bring the connected piece of yarn around your thumb. Release your 3 fingers and loop over the tail. Front, you should have 2 loops. And from the back, something that looks like this. Lastly, take the outermost loop and bring it in front of the front one. Same thing as all the others. Carefully transfer it to a hook. Last but not least, we're going to tighten our slip knot by pulling on the tail end. Now sometimes when you do a slip knot, certain things can happen. So we have our slip knot, we're just about ready to pull it left and right.